how to set limits with Apple's screen time. Are you wasting too much time on Instagram or TikTok with Apple screen time? You can set screen time limits for yourself on or your kids and hopefully develops some healthy device habits. if you are your kids are right to your smartphone and you want to scale back Apple screen time future can help. It can be used to track how much time you spend on your phone or tablet and discover which app you use the most. Then to help you kick your smartphone habit, you can set up time limits on specific apps or disable certain feature entirely. Screen time monitoring and can also be sensed. If you are ready to take teach additional or just keep a closer eye on how much time you spend string at your phone, here's how to get started. To enable screen time, go to setting screen time and top turn on screen time. Read the information at the screen time screen and top continue. You are then asked if this device is from you or your child. If it is for you, top this is my iPhone. Screen time will now monitor how much time you spend with individual apps feature and setting on your phone. You can then choose to set up a passcode to scare your screen time setting and request additional time with an app if the set amount expires. To set this up, swipe down the screen and tap use screen time passcode. Then enter your passcode, enter your Apple ID and password to use as a recovery method in case you ever forget your screen time passcode. If you have more than one Apple device, iPhone, iPad or Mac and want to monitor your screen time information across them all, you can enable the share across device option. You will need to enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID if it is not already activated. Additionally, if you previously choose to set a passcode, you will need to enter it before enabling the sharing across device feature. After screen time is enabled, your activity will be tracked. You can view this activity under setting screen time to see the average amount of time you spend using your device for 2 days and each day of the week. Top see all activity to view the daily and weekly result. You can swipe down the screen to see your most used app and notification. If you tap a specific app, it will show you the daily average usage usage and when during the day you use the app the most. You cannot set limits on which app and features you can access and for how long. Open to setting screen time and tap the downtime entry to create a time frame during which time only certain app will be allowed. Similar to apps focus modes, tap the from time and then the to time to set the time limits for all days. You can also tap customize days to schedule different times for each day of the week.